Think you know all about car insurance? Well, there might be a few misconceptions you're holding on to. Let's start with a popular myth. Red cars cost more to insure. Contrary to popular belief, the color of your car doesn't determine your insurance rate. It's factors like the make, model, and year that truly matter. Another common myth is that older cars are cheaper to insure. While it might seem logical, it's not necessarily true. Insurance companies consider many variables such as the likelihood of theft and the cost of replacement parts. Ever heard that insurance covers all types of accidents? Unfortunately, this is another myth. Your coverage depends on your specific policy, and not all policies cover every possible incident. And lastly, the minimum state-required coverage might seem like the easiest route, but it's often not sufficient. Being underinsured can lead to hefty out-of-pocket expenses in the event of a significant accident. Now that we've busted some myths, it's time to dive deeper into the world of car insurance. Car insurance can seem complex, but it's simpler than you think. Let's start with the term premium. This is the amount you pay, usually monthly, for your car insurance. It's determined by a variety of factors, like your age, driving history, and the type of car you drive. Think of it as a subscription fee that keeps your coverage active. Next up is deductible. This is the amount you agree to pay out of your pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in when you make a claim. For example, if your deductible is $500 and you have a $1,000 repair, you'll pay the first $500 and your insurance will cover the rest. Remember, a higher deductible usually means a lower premium and vice versa. Now, on to liability. This is a crucial part of your car insurance as it covers the costs if you're responsible for an accident and cause damage to another person's property, or if someone is injured. There are typically two types of liability coverage: bodily injury and property damage. Comprehensive coverage, despite its name, doesn't cover everything. It covers damage to your vehicle that's not caused by a collision. This might include events like theft, vandalism, or damage from a natural disaster. It's like a safety net for all those just-in-case scenarios. Last but not least, collision coverage. This helps to repair or replace your car if it's damaged in an accident with another vehicle, or if you hit an object like a fence or a pothole. Think of it as your car's personal bodyguard. Each of these elements plays a role in the overall cost of your car insurance. Balancing them according to your needs and budget can help you get the most out of your policy. So now you know the basics, but how do you choose the right coverage? Choosing the right coverage is crucial, but it doesn't have to be a daunting task. Let's break it down. Your driving habits play a significant role in determining the right coverage. Are you a daily commuter or a weekend warrior? This can influence the amount of coverage you need. Next, consider the age and condition of your car. A brand new sports car may require a different level of coverage compared to an older family sedan. And don't forget about your financial circumstances. Can you afford a high deductible in case of an accident? If not, you may want to opt for a lower deductible even if it means higher monthly premiums. Remember, choosing the cheapest option can be tempting, but it may not provide adequate protection. It's about finding a balance between cost and coverage, ensuring you're protected without breaking the bank. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to making informed decisions about car insurance. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by busting some common car insurance myths. Remember, cheaper isn't always better, and having a red car doesn't necessarily mean you'll pay more for insurance. Next, we delved into the nitty-gritty of car insurance, explaining the difference between liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. We emphasized the importance of understanding what your policy covers and what it doesn't. Then, we moved on to the crucial task of choosing the right coverage. We learned that it's not just about finding the cheapest policy, but about assessing your needs and finding a policy that offers you the best protection. We hope this video has shed some light on the often confusing world of car insurance. Remember, understanding your car insurance is the first step towards protecting yourself and your vehicle. Stay safe on the roads and make smart decisions about your coverage.